Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can run ads on Telegram. Well, there are a couple of steps we need to take. The first step is logging into our ads account. To do that, just open one of your favorite browsers in your mobile or web or desktop and just go to this link ads.telegram.org. So if you're not logged in already, you will have a screen something like this. Now just click on login to start advertising. Enter your phone number with the country code and the symbol at the beginning. Mine is +977. Now next. So a confirmation message will be sent to our Telegram app itself. So wait for some time, and once you receive it, just navigate to your Telegram app and accept the confirmation message. Okay, navigate to your Telegram app now. Yeah, and inside the Telegram, just click on this confirm. Now if you go back to the previous screen, we'll navigate you to the home page of ads. Now just click on this create a new ad. In here give your ad a title and also add text. The URL we want to promote can be the URL of channel, post, or bot you promote. Can be active or on hold. If you want to have default status as active, just select this active, and if you want to keep it on hold in initial status, click on hold. Now add schedule. So it's saying only public channels and bots are allowed. Just enter your public channel. Alright, now target specific channels. If you want to target the audience in specific channel, enter it in here. Now this is the amount we want to spend per 1,000 impressions of our post. So enter your amount in here. Now how many daily views limit per user? Select the appropriate one for you. And initial budget, let's say 50. And daily budget 2. Alright, click on I have read and agree. So target channel must have 1,000+ subscribers, it's saying that. Now I have read and agree with the Telegram ad platform terms of service and create ad. So it is saying our balance is too low. Just click on add funds next to your balance is too low. Now add funds on fragment. So we can use our crypto wallet to add funds to our Telegram ads account. So do connect to Ton and choose my Ton wallet or whichever wallet is easier for you. Select the one, open wallet in Telegram. I agree and continue. So if you have an existing Ton wallet, just add existing wallet. Or if you want to get started with Ton, click on start exploring Ton. And once you follow these prompts, you can add funds to your Telegram wallet and create your ad and thereafter run it. Now you know how to run ads in Telegram. It sure does require some steps, but it's nothing more than just following the prompts of the Telegram itself. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding running ads on Telegram, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.